welcome to Kaanapali Beach Club. We're at Suite 530. Let's go check out the inside.
Subscribe.
First up, let's do a suite tour. This is
Hit that like.
the breakfast nook right here. We've got a fridge. We've got a microwave. We've got our dining table right here. And
Aloha, welcome!
woohoo! This is the living room area. It's pretty nice. Let's do a 360 tour. Then we'll check out the restroom right here. The restroom is pretty cool. It has a bathtub, has a closet, sink, shower, and this is the bathroom. Pretty cool. Now let's go check out the balcony before we check out the master bedroom. Alright, here we go. This is the view. This is the view right here. Let's go, let's go. Check that out. That's the view. That is the view. And check out Michaela. She's just chillaxing right now.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, we just arrived and we're here, and this is where the magic happens. Right here. Master bedroom. Yeah. We also got a TV. And that's our room tour. And let us know if you have any questions. Comment down below.
Mahalo!
Mahalo!
Book your vacay with MF Travels or subscribe.